TCL C6L versus C7L versus C8L. Which TCL TV should you buy? In this video, I'm comparing the TCL C6L, C7L, and C8L to find out which 2026 TCL TV gives you the best combination of picture quality, gaming performance, features, and value. Let's start with the C6L. This is the more affordable QD Mini LED option. TCL combines mini LED backlighting with quantum dot color and an HVA panel, while the exact brightness and number of dimming zones vary depending on screen size and region. For example, TCL lists up to 264 precise dimming zones on some C6L models. It also has a very slim flatback design, making it particularly attractive if you plan to wall mount your TV. Moving up to the C7L brings a much bigger focus on premium picture quality. It uses TCL's newer SQD Mini LED technology and HVA2 Pro panel. On the 65-inch C7L, TCL lists 1,152 precise dimming zones and HDR brightness reaching up to 3,000 nits. You also get up to 100% BT2020 color coverage and audio by Bang & Olufsen. That makes the C7L the sweet spot of these three models. You get significantly more precise local dimming and much stronger HDR capability than the C6L without moving all the way into TCL's higher-end C8L pricing. Gaming is also a major strength of the C7L. TCL includes its premium game experience, game master features, and a 288 VRR game accelerator. So if you have a PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X, or gaming PC, the C7L is designed to handle high refresh rate gaming alongside impressive HDR. Now we get to the C8L, and this is where TCL pushes picture performance considerably further. The 65-inch C8L uses SQD Mini LED with 2040 precise dimming zones and HDR brightness rated at up to 5,000 nits. It also gets TCL's WHVA2 Ultra panel, Super QLED technology, an ultra-slim design, Bang & Olufsen audio, and the TSR AI PQ processor. That combination means the C8L should provide better control over bright highlights and dark areas, reduced blooming, and significantly more impactful HDR. It's the model I'd consider for a premium home theater setup, particularly if you watch lots of 4K HDR movies or use your TV in a bright room. However, there's something very important to remember when comparing these TVs. Specifications change depending on screen size and market. For example, TCL lists different brightness levels and dimming zone counts across different C8L sizes, so don't assume the specifications of a 65-inch model automatically apply to the 55, 75, 85, or 98-inch versions. Here's my pro tip: don't automatically buy the most expensive model. Compare the C7L and C8L at the exact screen size you want. If the price difference is substantial, the C7L gives you an excellent balance of SQD Mini LED picture quality, HDR brightness, gaming features, and premium audio. So which TCL should you buy? Choose the C6L if affordability, mini LED picture quality, and a slim wall-friendly design are your priorities. Choose the C7L if you want the best overall balance of performance and price. And choose the C8L if you want significantly stronger HDR, more precise local dimming, and the most premium picture experience of these three. For most buyers, my pick is the C7L. For serious movie enthusiasts who are willing to pay extra, I'd step up to the C8L. If you found this comparison helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments. C6L, C7L, or C8L, which one would you buy?